shall stand. We shall stand. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate, Bola. We shall stand.
I'm waiting for you guys. You guys good?
No, I'm not good.
Okay. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Well, thank you very much. This is second day running. We're just very blessed in Lagos. So this is another Salah visit to Mr. President, who had graciously also opened his residence for us. But this is also very unique with our flag bearer for the governorship candidate, Mr. Deputy Governor, the leadership of the party, but more importantly, the 40 lucky men and women who are the party's flag bearer for the coming APC State House of Assembly. We have 40 state constituencies. So each of them that has emerged, in the last primaries have also come here to pay a courtesy visit. And very gracious, Mr. President was actually very gracious to have received them. And so what had happened behind the scene is words of encouragement and admonition to each and every one of them. And they've given their commitments, to thank him, for the fatherly role, to assure him that they've also seen what he's doing at the national level, that has been direct beneficiaries to their various constituents and what the state too is doing. So by extension, assuring him that they are going back to meet their constituents, to work across boards and to ensure that they have real dividends of democracy to show their people what the federal government is doing, what they've done, what the state government is doing, what they've done, and not to be distracted by new noisemakers that we see around, in different, colorations of parties, to say that we're consistent, we're very intentional, and we're very deliberate. And they've assured Mr. President that they will do the work. They've asked for the work. All of them are committed that they will do the work, and we believe they will do a good work.
Your Excellency, your assurance is good, and ordinarily with the support of the President and the work you've been doing, would say it's a game over already. But trying to remember what happened in 2023, and you cannot leave anything to chance. No. So what are you doing to ensure that this game is really won?
Well, so it's really to be critical of ourselves, right? It's really to be sincere and be open to ourselves, And part of the things that are taken away is that they've emerged under the umbrella of the party, not under any group or association or formation or in any form. So as a candidate of the party, you have you have everything to ensure that you close ranks. Everybody that has either contested against you, everybody that you need to go and reach, every constituent of yourself that you need to go back and go back and go back and convince. So you can see that they will not be taking anything for granted. We will not take anything for granted, and we want to hit the ground running. We have the data, we have the numbers, and so we've said that we're going to share so many things with them. It is a leg room, it's a leg work, and they have stakeholders they're going to work with, several hundreds of councillors, several hundreds of party, executive at the ward and at the local government level, several, leaders at various. So everything is cut out for them. But the bottom line is they're giving assurance to Mr. President, and they're all encouraged, they're all, motivated, they're all galvanized enough to go out there, and sell the party and sell it very well.